Good morning, FS1. Wow, I can see some happy faces. Are you also happy? All right then, let's see what we're going to learn today. Come on. So today in UW lesson, learners will learn about change in technology for schools over the time. And what's going to be the learning outcome? By the end of the lesson, learners will be able to review how has technology changed our classrooms, how to access online classes, and some features of Microsoft Teams. Okay, so now let's have a look at how we learned few months before when you came to school. And now when you're at home, how are you learning? Okay, watch the video. Okay, children, so let's have a look at how technology has helped us continue with our education, right? So few months back, you were going to school to take your education, to learn, to grow, right? And then what happened? There was a situation, the pandemic, right? And then you couldn't go to school. But did that stop your education? Did that stop your learning? No. And all thanks to technology because we have laptops and tablets and mobile phones which we use to continue with our education, right? So how are you learning these days? Through your e-learning, through your laptops, through your tablets, right? On the Microsoft Teams. But few months back, when you went to school, how did you learn? Through the smart boards, through notebooks, and through textbooks, right? So thanks to technology, even though we couldn't go to school, but we are still continuing to learn because of technology. Aha! Haven't you seen this page before? Well, you see it every day, isn't it? This is the home page or the login page of Microsoft Teams, right? When you log in, you can connect with your friends and teachers. Now, even though that you are not able to go to school, but you can still meet your classmates and you can still meet your teacher and talk to them and learn, right? Isn't that fantastic? And all this is possible because of the developed technology. Alright, so let's have a look how to log in into the Microsoft Teams where you have your live sessions every day. Okay, so once you open the MS Teams application, you will get to see these pages. Okay, so on your left hand side is the page where you need to type in your login ID and the password. Okay, so once you type that correctly and press the next button, you will get an entry into the Microsoft Teams application, which looks like this. You will enter your FS class. All right, and then you will have a look at the page which is there on the right hand side. Okay, so what happens after you enter your FS class? So when it's time for your live session, you will get a join link like you can see in this picture here near the arrow. And once you press that, you will be able to meet your classmates and your teacher, and you can have a live interaction and learn and talk and have fun, right? Okay, so now we are having a look at a similar picture like you have when you enter your live session, right? When you get to see your classmates and your teacher, this is how your screen looks, right? So on your screen, you'll be able to see a rectangular box. You can see here as well on this picture on your left hand side. Okay, and in that rectangular box there are various icons or buttons. Okay, but today we are going to look at the three buttons or icons. One that is for muting and unmuting, which is called the microphone. Second, the end call button, which is there in the red. And the third, the video turn on and turn off button. Okay, so have a look at your right hand side picture. So you can see the picture of a microphone with a slash or a cut on it, which means that whatever you speak right now, when there is a cut on the microphone, will not be heard by your friends or your teacher. Okay, so when your teacher asks you to answer or when you want to ask something, this is the first thing that you need to check. Is my microphone muted or unmuted? Okay, muted means it has a cut, and unmuted means that the cut or the slash disappears. All right, and how do you unmute yourself? Well, by touching this icon. By touching the microphone only once, the slash will disappear, and that's when you will be heard by your teacher and your classmates, right? So remember to check your microphones whether you are audible to others or no. So if there is a cut, that means whatever you speak will not be heard. And if there is no cut, which means it will be heard. Okay, let's move to the next button, which is in red, and it's called the end call button. So after the live session, when the live session is over, what does the teacher say? Okay, it's time to end now, right? So that's the time when you need to press this red button, which is called the end call button. Once you press it only once, the meeting or your live session will end. Okay, and now let's move to the third icon or the button, which is for the video. Now when there is a cut or a slash on this picture, it means that your picture or video is not seen by your classmates and your teacher. So if you want to be seen on the screen, you need to touch it once so that the slash or the cut disappears from this icon. Okay, that's when your picture will be seen by your teacher and your classmates. Alright children, so you should practice muting and unmuting and turning on your video and turning off your video. Alright. Okay, so here comes the activity. Try to find the assignments on Microsoft Teams independently and click pictures while you're doing that. Tell mommy or daddy to click your pictures while you're trying to search the assignments on MS Teams and send it to your teacher. All right? Happy technology! All right, children, goodbye. Have a nice weekend. See you on Sunday again. Bye-bye.